the primer we're going to use today is the Milani Skin Quench again. A really hydrating primer and really affordable. And it just makes my face feel more dewy and hydrated for my foundation. We're also going to use Pixie Blush on our lips. It's a cheek stain, but I love using it on my lips because even when my lipstick comes off, this color stays on. Next, we're gonna go in with actually like a skin tint. This is an Odyssey Mineral Drops Tinted Sunscreen. It's SPF 50, UVA, UVB, and PA++++. Plus, it melts right into the skin. If you give it a couple minutes, it really matches your skin tone. Now we're gonna go in with color correcting. I'm gonna use green color corrector on my red spots. Really just spot checking, nothing too crazy. And then we're gonna go in with pink color corrector, where usually where I put my foundation, I turn a little gray. So I put that in my chin area and underneath my eyes. So blending out the color corrector, I'm using this Real Techniques little blender thing. Tap very lightly. You obviously don't want the color to go away, but you don't want it to be super strong either. So on top of the green color corrector, we're gonna go in with Shade Match Concealer. Underneath my eyes, I'm going in with this concealer, and then I'm also going to put it right here. After our concealer, we're also going to go in with our foundation. This is the Say Glow Super Skin Foundation. We're going to be very, very light with it, especially since we went in with our tinted drops and concealer. So we're just very light with this, and we're going to blend it all together. Next, we're going to contour. This is going to be NYX Pro Fix Sticks in the shade Sienna. So we're going to make like a V shape on our chin and dot along the edges of our jaw. And we're going to be very light with this product because it's very pigmented and a little goes a long way. Now for our blush. The cream blush we're using today is Dew Blush Cutie. This is probably one of the only blushes that I will use every single day. An absolute favorite, and it just always gives me that natural glowy look. We're gonna focus our blush underneath our eyes and bring it upwards towards our high cheekbone, and then we're also going to put it on our eye. So we're gonna blend it out with the brush and we're gonna swipe along. So using that same brush, we're gonna go in with a powdered blush. This is Pat McGrath's Divine Blush in Paradise Venus. And you're going to just center it right here on your high cheekbone. Now for nose contour, this is my everything pencil. I've had this for a good while. This is the Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator, but it doesn't just have to be used for brows. I use it for my eyebrows, I use it for my eyeliner, I use it for everything. So we're just gonna be very light. We're gonna start at the underneath our eyebrows and go inwards towards the bridge of our nose. Make kind of like V shapes, and then we're going to do a V underneath on our nose tip, and also just following the natural shape of our nose. And then we're going to blend that out very lightly with our little Real Techniques brush. Now we're going to finish our base with powder. We're going to go in with the Say Air Set in Translucent. Just spread it all over your face. I love this powder. It lasts me all day. Really good oil control because I'm a shiny girl. So if I ever kind of want more of a flat look but still have like a good shine to it, I always reach toward this setting powder. For our eyebrows, we're gonna go for a more ashy color. This is Cool Ash Brown, Thickening Brow Mascara by NYX. We want our eyebrows to have a more cool tone. Nothing too crazy, just back and forth and brush outwards. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So for this look, we're gonna try not to exceed our crease. The first color that we're gonna use is Sweet. This is on the Naked Honey palette. We're gonna go Sweet all over on our eyelid. Then with our Pat McGrath's Mothership palette, we're gonna take this color right here and we're gonna put it straight in the corner of our eye, slightly blending towards the inside. And then once you have that good and blended out, we're gonna go in with a pink shimmer on our inner, going upwards a little bit above our crease. Now with like an angled brush or a thinner brush, we're going to go in with this color right here, and we're going to make the base for our eyeliner. Start on the inner of your eye and blend it outward, and we're also going to do it underneath the eyes. Now after that's all good and done, we're going to go in with our eyeliner. I'm using the Epic Wear Waterproof by NYX. We're just going to have a very, very thin line. We're following the natural flow of our eyes. So if your eyes are more upturned, you're going to go upturned. If they're more downturned, you're going to go downturned. So also the end of your eyeliner should be the direction your eyelashes kind of go. Now we're just going to use mascara. This is the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara. This one can get kind of hard on your eyelashes, so just be aware of that. If you like softer mascara, then I wouldn't recommend this, but this one, it does pretty well. It does a job. Now for our lips, first I'm going to line the outside of my lips with NYX Smooth Whip. It's a matte lip cream. The NYX Smooth Whip Pro is in the shade Teddy Fluff. After that's all good and put on, we're going to set our lips with powder. Now we're going to center a bright color on the center of our lips. This is the Rom MD Dewy Full Water Tint in the shade Chilly Up. I really want to focus attention on my bottom lip. So we're going to do a very light on the top and then focus it more on the bottom. And then we're going to set that with powder again. And then we're going to go in with a little bit more on the bottom lip. Then we're just going to put on a little bit of gloss. We're going to use the Jelly Pop Glow Reviver Lip Oil just so focus it more on the bottom again. We want our bottom lip to be more pronounced than our top lip. That's why we're going to do more things on the bottom. This is my finished look. If you like these makeup tutorials, look at last week's video and drop a comment down below requesting what kind of makeup look you want me to try and do an in-depth tutorial on. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, watch more of my videos if you want to, and I will see you next time.